Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best smartwatches under $100. If you like any smartwatch, all links are listed below. This smartwatch is suitable for both iPhone and Android phones. The Amazfit Pace running smartwatch is now available. Pace is a GPS-enabled running watch with up to 11 days of battery life for basic use, up to 5 days for regular use, and 35 hours with continuous heart rate and GPS tracking. 1.34-inch capacitive touchscreen, with HD resolution 320 by 300 pixel, uses Corning Gorilla Glass material, high quality. The onboard music storage allows for phone-free running while tracking your essential metrics like pace, cadence, distance, time, heart rate and more. Receive notifications for incoming calls, messages, emails and other apps. GPS Plus Glotness can precisely record your daily movement, mileage, altitude, stride frequency, pace and other professional sports data, help you analyze and improve your sports level. Push instant information, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, let you real-time receive information. When a call or a message is coming, the watch will remind you via vibration. Never miss any important call or message. The Zeblaze Thor, the sport and fitness smartwatch is loaded with high-end specs that we usually see on a high-end Android Wear smartwatch and Tizen. The Zeblaze Thor has a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display screen with a high resolution of 400 by 400 pixels. This is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which surely is enticing for smartwatch fans. The Zeblaze Thor has a sporty design and with a slim stainless steel bezel, a button on the upper right side that serves as a home, power button, a camera on the side. The body is connected to a TPU straw with stainless steel buckle. Fossil jump into sport wearable with its latest Fossil Q Control Gen 3 sports smartwatch. The new Android Wear 2.0 smartwatch has a sporty look, having a stainless steel body, with a two-tone removable strap. The display is AMOLED, having a 1.39-inch screen with 450 by 450 pixel resolution. The smartwatch is IP67 waterproof, and can withstand up to 50 meters of water. Under the hood, just like other Android Wear 2.0 smartwatch by Fossil, the Fossil Q Control is powered by the latest Qualcomm processor Snapdragon Wear 2100, with 4 GB of internal storage and 768 MB of RAM. Sensors are accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light, altimeter and heart rate monitor. Features include our activity tracking, call and message notifications, LED flashlight, multiple time zones, control music, heart rate tracking, alarm clock, custom goal settings. Also supports voice activated via Google Maps. The smartwatch is known for its accurate reading, be it time, heart rate, sleep time. The display is the sharp 0.96-inch glass lens. For fitness lovers, this watch is a must-buy for your loved ones. The extra features of the watch are heart rate monitor, step counts, distance measuring, calorie consumption management, sleep monitor, event trigger, water drinking, taking medicine, meeting, call reminder, clock, sedentary reminder, anti-lost, positive and negative direction lookup, remote camera, vibration alarm clock.